High protein content. Beef is rich in protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Protein also helps increase satiety, aiding in weight management. Source of iron. Beef is a significant source of iron, a mineral necessary for the production of red blood cells. Adequate iron intake helps improve oxygen transport throughout the body and may prevent iron deficiency anemia. Various vitamins and minerals. Beef contains a range of vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, B12, B6, niacin, zinc, selenium, and phosphorus. These nutrients support nerve function, boost the immune system, and promote bone health. Muscle development and repair. For athletes and individuals engaging in regular exercise, beef serves as a valuable protein source for muscle development and repair. Its rich amino acid profile supports muscle strength and recovery. Healthy fats. Beef contains healthy fats, particularly those that aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. However, excessive consumption of beef and unhealthy cooking methods can lead to health issues. When consumed in moderation and prepared using healthy cooking techniques, beef can be beneficial for health as part of a balanced diet.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.